How to carry yarn and catch floats in stranded colorwork knitting. So here we have the Florist beanie that's knit in 3 colors, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So you see that the yarn is being carried and the floats. So what's a float? It's that strand of yarn that you're carrying in the back. You don't want those floats to get too long. So here we're working with 3 colors, but the green we're not working with right now. We're just knitting with black and pink. So you see you have 9 stitches of black followed by 1 stitch of pink, and you don't want to have the float, that extra long strand of yarn. So this is what we're going to do, how we're going to catch those floats so that they're shorter. We recommend doing it every 2 or 3 stitches. So here we're going to do it every 3 stitches. We're going to knit 3 stitches with black, and now we're going to catch that float by simply just twisting the yarn, and just remember the direction in which we did the twisting, because after we knit the following 3 stitches we're going to twist in the opposite direction, because if we keep going it in the same direction, everything is going to become a big mess. So you just alternate your direction every time that you change that you catch the float. So now finally we can knit with the pink, and we are switching back to black, and we're going to catch the float every 3 stitches. So we have 3. We're catching now that float. We are continuing knitting with the black, and now we're going to twist the yarn in the opposite direction. So this technique works great if you only know American or English style of knitting. If you can do both American and continental, of course it makes it easier because you can hold one color yarn in one hand and the other color in the other hand, and there's different techniques for that. But this is just kind of a shortcut if you only know how to knit American or English style. It just makes it a little bit easier so that your yarn doesn't get so tangled and that you don't have such long floats in the back. So you twist in one direction and your next set of stitches you twist the yarn in the opposite direction. And that's it. And you do same thing when you knit with the green yarn. You can put the pink yarn inside the hat so that it's not in your way, and then you'll be working with the green and the black. And this is what your floats will look like on the inside. So instead of one long one, you have 3 short ones. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.